Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn creating component arrays in assembly. You can create a set of part or sub-assembly component copies in the assembly in NX. To activate pattern command, go to home, then assemblies group, pattern component. Assemblies group, component group, then pattern component. The most used pattern layouts are linear pattern, circular and reference pattern. Linear pattern of components. You can make linear patterns of components in the NX also if you want. You can delete some of the instances in the pattern to create a component pattern in the assembly. We will see this in software, okay? Here in assemblies tab, pattern component, click on pattern component. Here select a component. I will select this nut, linear, then count. I want two nuts. Difference or distance between two nuts is 60. Specify vector. See, this is how you can pattern a component. Again, pattern, select a component, specify vector. Between distances, click OK. This is how you can pattern the component in assemblies environment. Okay, thank you.